Vinci Building and University Hospitals of North Midlands has officially welcomed the first patients to a brand new breast care unit in the heart of Staffordshire. The purpose-built, two-storey building at County Hospital in Stafford provides specialist breast care services including one-stop breast clinics, breast screening, diagnostic imaging, and breast surgical outpatient services. The new unit, open to all eligible UHNM breast patients from across Staffordshire, features 3 counselling rooms, 4 consultation rooms and an enhanced treatment room, and is equipped with the latest diagnostic and imaging equipment. The lower level of the building consists of a control centre, staff changing rooms with showers, and a communal break time area with kitchen facilities to allow staff the time they need during their break routines.